Bathrooms are small spaces with a lot of function, and you can get the most function when you're creative with what you've got. We found the best bathroom storage ideas that will give you more spaces to keep your makeup, toiletries, and linen organized. And here is the list. 1. Space-saving toothbrush organizer. This is multifunctional combination and super genius. This toothbrush organizer containing 1 automatic toothpaste dispenser, 3 dust-proof cups with lid covered, 4 dust-proof toothbrush slots, 1 cell phone holder, 1 towel bar, and 4 hooks. 2. Wall mirror cabinet with adjustable shelf. This mirror cabinet has suitable size and large capacity. Wall-mounted design gives you deep storage without taking up extra space. You can place toothbrush, soap, shampoo, shower gels, and any other items in this mirror cabinet. 3. 3-tier bathroom shelf with towel hooks. This bathroom storage shelves provide fixed tier shelving for towels, toiletries, and other essentials, 3 easy-to-reach pegs for hanging towels or other bathroom items. And you can also use this 3-tier bathroom towel shelf organizer in bathroom, entryway, hallway, or kid's bedroom. 4. Shower caddy organizer. This 2-tier shelves provides large capacity to organize your shower essentials and keep them all within easy reach. The deep shelf is 12-inch, allows tall bottles to fit, with 2 removable S-hooks for razors, shower sponge, loofahs, and bath accessories. 5. Floor storage cabinet with drawers. It maximizes your bathroom's available space while providing functional storage, which also makes you quick access to your bathroom accessories. The multiple cabinets design can perfectly improve the storage efficiency. 6. Over-the-toilet bathroom space saver. Crafted from manufactured wood, it boasts an over-the-toilet design, ideal for saving valuable space. An outer cubby offers a place to tuck away medicine, cotton swabs, and more, while the 2 doors open to reveal even more room to stow washroom essentials. 7. Hair dryer wall mount holder. You can put your hair essential oil, hair gel, cosmetics, makeup brush on the shelf. The anti-scratch soft rubber mat protects your hair dryer holder from scratching and slippery. 8. Over-the-shower door towel rack. Over-the-shower door towel rack with 3 bars is perfect for drying and hanging body towels, pool towels, washcloths, and hand towels. Also great for hanging shirts, pants, dresses, and other clothing items to dry. 9. Corner floor cabinet with doors and shelves. This modern bathroom furniture, great for small spaces, easy to move or carry outside. Great to put in the bathroom between the tub and the toilet. Top panel open to replacing the roll paper. The top compartment great for holding a cell phone or a coffee mug. Keep your comb hair products and deodorants in. 10. Shelf bathroom organizer over the toilet. This 3-shelf bathroom shelves is a smart way to get additional bathroom organization without taking up much of the floor space. Plus, the elegant finish looks great with an array of decor styles. 11. 2-tier shelf with towel bar. This large glass wall shelf transforms the wasted space into a spacious storage area. Simple and clean lines paired with polished metal texture, this shelf will also give a touch of elegant to your bathroom. 12. Over-the-door triple towel rack with hooks. Tiered design offers great airflow, no more damp towels. Hangs easily over all residential doors, no installation required. Fits doors up to 1.57 inches thick. Ideal for smaller or shared bathrooms, apartments, or dorms. 13. Wall-mounted storage cabinet. The storage cabinet combined with modern style and ample storage space for bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, and other occasions. The bathroom wall cabinet is a perfect storage solution for homes. Its design maximizes the space of your room.